Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I'm here to tell you that not all mouse pads were created equal. My husband works at his computer and uses his mouse most of the day, so he wanted something that was going to give his wrist support in a comfortable manner, and that's exactly what this mouse pad does. It is a beautiful color. The image is the mauve twilight, and it's really vivid. And the back of the mouse pad has a sticky material. That means when you place it down on your desk, it stays put. It's not going to slide around on you. It is stable, but then you can easily lift it and reposition it. So it stays put, but it's not permanently stuck. So I like that versatility and stability. And of course, that gel material for your wrist gives excellent support. It's squishy but supportive, and the overall feel of the mouse pad is soft as well. So it has a beautiful look to it. It stays where you want it to stay, and it does give that support to the wrist. If you're looking for a vibrant and beautiful image on your mouse pad that also has extra support for your wrist, then this is the mouse pad that you should try. And that is my point of view.